This one AI video generator is all you need. It has everything you need to make a full AI video or a movie. Especially if you want to make money from YouTube automation or TikTok content creation using AI, this is the only AI you need. Even the scene you are watching has been created using this AI tool. Let me blow your mind. I'm going to show you an AI movie I recently created for one of my channels. This is going to be a bit long.
They say the West was wild. But what came that summer of '57? That wasn't wild. That was otherworldly. It was just a normal day, where the people in the village were doing things. When it getting darker, something strange appears in the sky.
Storm's brewing out there. Sky ain't looked right since noon.
Ain't just the sky. Something strange is happening. We must be ready.
What in God's name is that? Is that a man?
That ain't no man. If that thing comes towards the village, we gotta be ready.
What are we supposed to do, Sheriff?
They didn't want gold or cattle. They wanted something deeper. Us.
It's just a matter of time. We should head back to town as fast as we can. If they want a war, we give them a good old Western welcome. Y'all picked the wrong dirt to land on.
The history books won't tell you about it. But out here, legends are written in dust, blood, and stardust.
Looks like round 2.
The tool I used to create that video is called AI Video. This is a cost-friendly, all-in-one AI tool that you can use to generate images and videos and convert whole scripts into videos. And I can say this is a low-cost, all-in-one AI tool. You can generate images, ultra-realistic videos, AI voiceovers, sound effects, and background music, automate video creation. Everything can be done using this one AI tool. You don't need to go around and purchase several AI tools for these tasks. This tool is powered by Kling AI, OpenAI, 11 Labs, and Luma AI, so you can do everything using this one AI tool. You can use this link in the description to sign up and make sure to use this code to get 20% discount. There are 2 ways to create videos using this AI. For this video, I'm going to create the whole AI movie from the scratch. Before that, we need to generate some prompts using ChatGPT. Part 1. Generating script. Basically, what you need to do is go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a 3-minute video script for a short movie. All you need to do is give them the topic you have in mind. I'm going to create a movie about an alien invasion in the cowboy era, because it sounds fun. So, looks like we have an amazing script that we can use to create this video. Part 2, image prompts and color grading. When it comes to creating a short movie like this, you need to focus on its color grading, because throughout the whole video, there should be the same color grading. When you're using ChatGPT to generate the prompts for the images, you should mention that it should have the same color grading for all the images. What you need to do is use a prompt like this: generate image, generating prompts for the following scenes, make sure all the images have the same color grading, and then you can enter the preferred color theme. Now, all you need to do is explain the scene you want, and this will generate prompts based on that same color grading. Just like this, you need to generate prompts for all the scenes in this short movie. Part 3. Voice generation. I'm going to go back to AI Video and let's start the process. Let's make this video from scratch. For that, select this option. Now, you will come to this editor. First, we need to generate the voiceovers. Go to the voiceovers option. You need to paste your video script here and then select a suitable AI voice from this list and generate the voiceover. For the voiceovers, this tool will not charge any credits. It's completely free. So just like this, you can complete all the voiceover parts from the script. This process is super easy, just copy and paste. So I took some time and completed all the voiceovers. Part 4, image generation. I already showed you how to generate a detailed prompt with the same style color gradings. Now let's convert them into images. Let's go back to AI Video. Now go to these visuals and make sure to select the images from this drop-down menu. After that, you need to select a suitable AI model for this process. You can get a clear idea about these models by reading this small description. Based on your needs and quality, you can select an AI model. Then, you need to select this landscape aspect ratio, and I will generate 2 images and then simply copy the prompt from this dashboard and generate the image. It will only take several seconds. Just like this, you can repeat the same process and convert all the prompts to images. First, you need to select the image to video option. Then click the browse option and upload the images you generated. And just type the prompt to convert this image to a video. Then, just like we did before, you need to select the AI model. This tool offers the best AI video models, so you can select any of these models and generate the video. I'm going to go with this Kling 1.6 model. And then select the aspect ratio and duration as the 10 seconds and generate the video. Just like this, you can convert all the images you generated into video. If you want to add talking avatar style videos, you can do that as well. You just need to select this avatar feature, then upload the image you want to convert into a talking avatar, and then add the dialogue and select the preferred AI voice. That's all. This is why I mentioned that this tool is an all-in-one tool for AI video generation. So after you generate all the video clips, let's start the editing process. What you need to do is place these video clips in the timeline to match the voiceover. This process is really simple. When you add the clips, make it look like a cinematic trailer. First, I'm going to go to the voiceovers and add those to the timeline. You can just drag and drop these files like this. Then I'm going to add the suitable video clips to the timeline like this. You can edit the duration of these video clips like this, or cut these scenes. So just like this, make sure to add all the clips and complete the timeline. After adding all the clips to the timeline, let me show you another cool thing this AI can do. If you go to the sound effects tab, you can generate all the necessary sound effects for this video. All you need to do is type the sound you want, and this tool can generate it. Then you can place the sound effect to the place you want in the timeline. It's really simple. As an example, I have generated a wind sound effect. It only took several seconds, and no credits were charged for this. Now, you don't have to go to other websites and download sound effects. You can simply generate those. Just like this, add all the necessary sound effects to the video and make it more alive. Once that is completed, go to the music from the top menu, where you can search for any type of background music for free. If you can't find the music that you are looking for, you can upload it from your device. Make sure to add cinematic music tracks to this video. The process is similar, just drag and drop the soundtracks to the timeline just like before. Now, if you go to these captions from the top menu, you can enable the captions for this video and edit them according to your liking. You can change the font style and colors and customize it, and they have added several pre-made caption templates. You can select those as well. But for this short movie, I'm not going to add any subtitles. You can get some help with this video from this AI edit feature. You just need to type what you need, and this will help you with that. Now, our video is completed. You can simply download it by clicking this download button. That's how I created this short AI movie. So if you are planning to use this AI tool, you can use this promo code and get a 20% discount. And guys, not only this, you can fully automate the video creation process with this feature, where you can convert your video script into short form or long form content. And I hope you have learned some valuable things from this video. If you have any questions about this, make sure to drop a comment. I will see you guys in the next video.